bitch, but I am not your bitch. Don't get in your feelings when I call shit quits. Go on run to the internet and talk your shit. You will never find another bitch like this. Beats. Look, hey.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve my wing liner with two methods. So the first way, you want to grab any marker liner that you have and start at the outer corner of your eye and draw your line up and outward to wherever you want your wing to extend. Once you're done creating that line, you want to just start at the end of the line and drag down. Once you come down, you're able to fill in your wing and make it thicker if you'd like. Once you come down, you can't go any thinner though. You kind of have to work with what you have, but if you do want to make it thicker, you can do so as you're filling in the wing. Keep in mind, when doing this, you might make an accident and get some of the liner on your eyeshadow. If so, you can just take a brush and use whatever eyeshadow you had and just go over the mark. Since I used a neutral color here, I took some concealer just to cover up that spot. So now I'm taking my NYX Vinyl liquid liner in black and I'm just going to go over my line just to make it sharper and more pigmented. Okay, here is another way to achieve the same line, just a different technique. I'm going to use my Inglot Gel Liner. This requires a flat liner brush, and if you do purchase Inglot Gel Liner or any gel liner, you might want to get this duraline. Inglot makes that. It's just so if your gel liner does dry up, which it will, you can just drop a few drops and it'll moisten the gel so that you're able to use it again. Okay, so you want to make sure the brush is saturated with this gel so that it'll be easier for you to create your line. As you can see, I'm doing here because my gel is pretty dry. Okay, so same method as last time. You want to start from the corner of the eye, draw up and outward, and then come down. This doesn't have to be too perfect because after you come down, you get to fill in your line and adjust it to your liking. Okay, so because the gel is a thicker consistency than the marker, it takes more tweaking, so you have to go in and really perfect it because it's so thick. So I would suggest for beginners to start off with the marker, perfect your line, get used to how you like it, and then I would go in with the gel line. Both are a perfect way to achieve your liner. The Inglot is a matte and the NYX Vinyl will provide a glossy liner, so it's all up to your preference.